Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify product feeds to Google Merchant Center. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin, go to the Apps section. Click on Manage Private Apps at the bottom of the page. If you don't have a private app, click on Create a new private app. Fill in the required fields such as the app name and email. Scroll down to the Admin API section. Set Read Access for products to read and write. Make sure Read Access for product listings and product variants. Copy the API key and password from the App Details page. Now, log in to your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Products section in the left menu. Click on Feeds and then select the feed you want to authenticate. In the feed settings, under Fetch Schedule, select Scheduled Fetch if needed. Enter the URL of your Shopify product feed. For the URL, use the format https://password@yourshop.myshopify.com/admin/api/api_version/ Save your changes in Google Merchant Center. You should now see a status indicating that Google is fetching your product feed. Wait for the feed processing to complete. Check back to ensure your products are being displayed correctly in Google Merchant Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.